Guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to enable slide screen on your Windows 10 or laptop. So guys, if you want to enable slide screen on your Windows 10 PC or laptops, so very easy. First click on start, after click on settings, after click on system, and left panel here option multitasking and snap windows. So here slash on position, also three box, check this box when I resize a snappad windows. So guys, if you want to enable slide, so slash toggle on position and three box, check this box, try to other one. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable slide screen on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.